Hey everyone, welcome to the Dimidrone channel, and today we're soaring over the magnificent Raudonė Castle in Lithuania. Welcome to Raudonė Castle, a place where ancient legends stroll alongside visitors and history peaks around every corner. Built in the 16th century, Raudonė Castle has witnessed countless intrigues, battles and royal visits. Even before that, in 3037, Teutonic knights built a wooden fortress known as Bayerburg on this very spot, serving as a strategic base for expedition into central Lithuania. Later, the castle became the property of distinguished Polish-Lithuanian noble families. The castle comfortably sits along the picturesque banks of the Nemunas River. Imagine medieval nobles debating whose castle is more impressive or whose tower is taller. Today, Raudonė undoubtedly takes the crown in beauty contests among Lithuanian castles. Raudonė underwent a romantic neo-Gothic reconstruction in the 19th century, transforming it into a fairy tale palace. It's said that even residents' ghosts appreciate the renovation, as they can now glide quietly through the hallways without brushing against the old walls. But jokes aside, the castle is genuinely stunning and absolutely worth getting lost in it. The most famous feature of Raudonė is its 33-meter high tower, practically made for epic selfies and panoramic views. The narrow staircase climb might feel challenging, but trust me, it's the best fitness routine you ever experienced, and no gym membership required. In 1831, the castle endured significant damage during an uprising against the Russian Empire. Truly, it's not just a castle, but a veteran of historical events. Thankfully, it's been fully restored and Raudonė now warmly welcomes visitors. Surrounding the castle is a picturesque park featuring the famous Gediminas oak, beneath which legend says the Grand Duke Gediminas was fatally wounded during a siege in 1341. There's also a captivating legend about the White Lady of Bayerburg, whose ghostly appearances intrigue visitors. In the late 19th century, the castle belonged to Sofia Vexel, the great-granddaughter of Platón Zubov, and her husband, the Portuguese writer José Carlos de Faria e Castro. After Sofia's death, José lived in the castle for another 23 years and was buried near the village of Raudonė. Today, the castle functions as a public school and its iconic tower is open to visitors, offering a breathtaking view of surrounding countryside. Raudonė is more than just a castle, it's a piece of living history in the heart of Lithuania. Make sure to visit and capture some beautiful memories. Thanks for joining us today. Subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you want more castle adventures. Keep traveling and discover new locations. Bye bye.